If you haven't watched this video, you're really missing out. I'll explain how you can get the protein that is so important for people over 60 from 7 basic foods that you can easily find at home. Today, I'm explaining these foods and the practical recipes you can prepare with them one by one. First, let's be clear. After age 60, our bodies don't work the same way they used to. Maintaining and strengthening our muscles gets a little harder every year. As we age, if we don't get enough protein, a process called muscle wasting begins. This isn't just about losing strength. It also means getting tired more quickly, having trouble maintaining balance, and an increased risk of falling. In fact, most people don't realize how important this is. After the age of 50, without adequate nutrition and exercise, muscle mass can slowly decrease each year. In later years, this can lead to problems such as being unable to climb stairs, difficulty getting up from a chair, and tiring more quickly while doing daily tasks. In fact, most people are unaware of how important this is. After the age of 50, without adequate nutrition and exercise, muscle mass can gradually decrease each year. In later years, this situation can lead to problems such as being unable to climb stairs, having difficulty getting up from a chair, and tiring more quickly when doing daily tasks. I noticed this most clearly when I was in Japan. While I was there, my neighbor's eating habits caught my attention. Especially my elderly neighbor. She didn't eat huge portions every day, but there was always a source of protein on her plate. At that moment, I asked myself, why haven't I been eating like this before? In Japan, the elderly eat more simply, but much more consciously. Less but regularly, simple but balanced. This video is exactly about that. Today, I'll tell you about 7 basic protein sources you can easily find at home and practical recipes you can prepare with them. Not complicated, not expensive, just sustainable and real. Before moving on to the video, please write in the comments below where you watched me and what time it was. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical or personal health advice. Before adding the foods mentioned in the video to your diet, be sure to consult your doctor or a nutritionist. Let's start with our first protein source. One of the most accessible foods found in almost everyone's kitchen: eggs. Eggs are very valuable for people over 60 because they contain the high-quality protein the body needs to repair and maintain muscle. When we look at Japanese cuisine, we see very clearly how much importance they place on protein balance. They use eggs frequently in their meals. Not just for breakfast, boiled eggs are also included in hot dishes. This is no coincidence. By spreading protein across different meals throughout the day, they continuously support the body. We have a lot to learn from this, because when you look at the diets of people over 100 years old, you see that this simple but conscious approach carries a wisdom. Less but balanced, simple but regular. Even just one boiled egg contains very valuable nutrients for our body. An average boiled egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality animal protein. The protein in eggs is in a form the body can use. That is, it contains nearly all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and maintenance. That's why eggs are considered one of the highly bioavailable protein sources. This means that the protein in eggs can be absorbed more quickly and effectively by the muscles after digestion. Instead of a breakfast consisting of coffee and a donut in the morning, a light omelette prepared with olive oil or just one boiled egg is preferred. many essential nutrients needed during the day are met. This is really important because when the body starts the day with protein, both muscles are better protected and energy is more balanced throughout the day. In this respect, eggs are very close to red meat in terms of protein quality, and in some ways are even considered equivalent to it. Moreover, they are easier to digest than red meat and are less hard on the stomach. Additionally, boiled eggs provide nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and iron, which become increasingly important as we age. In short, a single boiled egg is small but powerful, an extremely valuable food for muscle health. Furthermore, eggs are an easily digestible source of protein. This is a significant advantage, especially in later years. They provide a balanced supply of amino acids, which are important for muscle building. Boiled, soft omelette, or with vegetables. It can be easily consumed in forms that are not difficult to chew and do not strain the stomach. Of course, everyone's needs are different. If you have high cholesterol or a specific health condition, you should always consult your doctor about how much to consume. Here's a quick recipe to inspire you. Soft vegetable omelette. 1 to 2 eggs, some grated zucchini or spinach, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Cook over low heat to keep it soft. Benefits: high-quality protein for muscles plus easy digestion. 2. Protein source: yogurt, especially plain homemade yogurt. Our second protein source is another familiar and accessible food: yogurt. Plain and homemade yogurt, in particular, is very valuable for people over 60. Yogurt contains animal protein, and thanks to natural bacteria that aid digestion, helps the body utilize protein more effectively. As we age, the digestive system can become more sensitive. This is where yogurt offers an advantage. It supports protein intake without straining the stomach. Yogurt also contains calcium, B vitamins, and other nutrients important for bone health. A bowl of yogurt, especially in the evening or as a snack, is a very balanced choice that nourishes the muscles. Yogurt is also an easily digestible food. Organic and natural yogurts, in particular, contain many beneficial probiotics. So while consuming protein, you also support your gut flora. This soothes both the stomach and intestines. You can enjoy a bowl of yogurt with your favorite fruits. It's a very light but nutrient-rich option. When consumed regularly, it contributes to both digestive health and muscle health. I also want to mention a very simple and light recipe. You can add a few slices of banana or apple to a bowl of plain yogurt. Adding a teaspoon of ground walnuts or almonds is sufficient. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon if you like. It adds flavor and helps blood sugar rise more steadily. This recipe provides protein without weighing down your stomach and keeps you feeling light yet satisfied throughout the day. 3. Protein source: fish, especially small oily fish. Our third protein source is fish. Especially small oily fish, such as sardines and mackerel, are very valuable foods for people over 60. Fish contains high-quality protein and provides the amino acids necessary for the body to repair muscles. Fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart and brain health. Fish protein is easier to digest compared to red meat and is gentler on the stomach. As we age, it becomes very important to protect not only our muscles, but also our brain health. At this point, foods rich in both protein and omega-3 fatty acids play a major role. When consumed several days a week, fish significantly supports the health of the brain, muscles, and bones. It is also beneficial for eye health. It helps keep your memory sharp while contributing to the maintenance of muscle and bone mass. In short, adding fish to your diet regularly is very valuable for keeping your memory sharp and protecting your muscle and bone structure. Here is a very light, practical recipe for fish that is suitable for people over 60, baked fish with olive oil. Light recipe. Place 1 portion of fish on a baking tray. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil over it. Add a little lemon juice and, if you like, sprinkle with a little black pepper or thyme. Cooking at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes is sufficient. The fish remains tender and is easy on the stomach. When you add boiled zucchini, broccoli, or carrots on the side, you get a balanced, light, and nutritious meal. 4. Protein source. Lentils. Our 4th protein source is lentils. Lentils are a very valuable food, especially in terms of plant-based protein. The biggest advantage of lentils for people over 60 is that they contain both protein and fiber. Thanks to fiber, the digestive system functions more regularly, the intestines are supported, and a feeling of fullness is maintained for a long time. Lentils also contain minerals such as iron, folate, and magnesium, which are important for muscle and energy metabolism. If you want to make a light lentil soup, here's a quick recipe. Add onion, carrot, and a small amount of olive oil. Then add enough water to cover and cook. Then blend until smooth. The soup shouldn't be too thick, as this won't strain the stomach and intestines, making it a more comfortable option, especially for those over 60. 5. Protein source, cottage cheese. Our 5th protein source is cottage cheese. It is a particularly valuable food for those over 60. Cottage cheese is not as common in Japan as it is in our cuisine, but similar light, soft, and fat-free cheeses are especially preferred by the elderly. It is usually consumed in small portions, mixed with vegetables and sometimes added to eggs or hot dishes. The goal is the same: to get protein regularly without straining the stomach. Cottage cheese has a much higher protein content than other types of cheese. Moreover, it is a lower fat and lighter option. That's why many athletes frequently choose cottage cheese because of its high protein content. Its lightness and high protein content are a big advantage for those over 60. It supports muscles without straining the stomach. When consumed regularly, it helps maintain muscle mass. Cottage cheese contains a slow-digesting protein. This helps nourish muscles for a long time. It is a good option, especially in the evening, to reduce muscle loss throughout the night. It also contains calcium, which is an important contribution to bone health. You can make a light omelette by mixing it with eggs for breakfast, or easily add it to salads for other meals. Here is a very light, practical recipe for cottage cheese. Light cottage cheese omelette. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cottage cheese. Add a little olive oil to a pan and cook the mixture over low heat. It's important to cook the omelette gently without overcooking it, so it stays soft. This omelette is light high in protein and a great choice, especially for breakfast. 6. Protein source, chickpeas. In Japan, chickpeas are usually consumed well cooked, plain, and lightly seasoned. They are used in hot vegetable dishes, salads, or mashed. The goal is to get protein without burdening the stomach. Small portions and light cooking methods form the basis of nutrition, especially in old age. Chickpeas are a highly valuable food source of plant-based protein. One of the most important advantages of chickpeas for those over 60 is that they contain fiber along with protein. Fiber supports the digestive system. helps the intestines function more regularly, and provides a feeling of fullness for a long time. Chickpeas also contain minerals such as magnesium and folate, which are important for muscle function and energy production. Light chickpea recipe, homemade chickpea paste. You can blend cooked chickpeas with a small amount of olive oil and lemon. If the consistency is too thick, adding a little water is sufficient. Chickpea spread, prepared this way, is easy to chew, gentle on the stomach, yet a nutrient-rich option. 7. Protein source. Peanut butter. Natural, unsweetened. Our 7th protein source is natural peanut butter. Peanut butter contains both plant-based protein and healthy fats. When consumed in small amounts, it provides energy, keeps you full for a long time, and supports brain health. Especially for snacks, about 1 teaspoon of peanut butter is a sufficient and balanced option for those over 60. The important point is this: choose the additive-free, sugar-free, and natural option. Light peanut butter snack. Spread 1 teaspoon of natural sugar-free peanut butter on half a banana. You can also eat it with a few slices of apple if you like. This small snack contains both protein and healthy fats, providing energy without weighing you down. It's a great option for snacks, light, yet nutrient-dense. As you can see, there is no need for expensive products or complicated diets to stay healthy and strong. With a few basic foods found in our homes, it is possible to support our muscles, bones, and brains, especially after the age of 60. The most important thing we've learned from Japanese cuisine is this: eat less, but balanced, simple, but mindful meals. Small changes make a big difference over time. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.